Hello Philippines! Welcome back to the vlog! Good morning! Good morning, good morning, good morning! Morning! Alam niyo ba kung anong ginawa ko kagabi, day? Nagluto ko sabaw. Noon sa day kaday. Nagluto ko bones, tapos naglungag og rice, tapos ito, niready ko tong food ni Dodong kagabi. Kasi, kailangan kasi yan siyang soak in paday. So, lalagyan ko na lang yan ng milk. And then, yung sabaw ko day, initin ko na lang siya. But, wait for a while. Ano namang chismis dito? Hindi ko kayo malaga. Ito pa din kami. Alam, may magkakayak, day. May magkakayak, oh. Inito lang natin akong sabaw. Imitin ko lang tong sabaw ko dyan. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng spinach at saka pak choy. Kasi kahapon hindi ako naglagay ng kagabi hindi ako naglagay ng pak choy dahil kay kuan malata man gud ang gulay. So, if nag-wonder kayo, bakit tayo nandyan, ane? Nasaan yung mother-in-law mo? My love, can you turn on this one? Up there. Turn on. Hindi kami pumunta doon kasi dito ang gusto kong mag-coffee dahil dito ko gustong mag-coffee. Unahin ko muna itong patio isa ni. Okay. Parang medyo ano siya. Medyo marumi. Medyo marumi at marofok. And then uy, grabe ako ang style kagabi, uy. Nagluto ako, day. Naglunga. Naan siya ka, te. Kidaman-daman ka, te. Kidaman-daman ang inyong anti-kadayers. Nagluto-luto. Gabiing dako. Marami kasi itong kuan. Yan, isa lang natin to. Ay, wag ko na lang yung anuhin yung spinach para ang spinach para na lang nasa isda. Tapos itong kay Dudong, uy, coffee niya day, biluhan na to na. Pero mabukal na siya dali. Mag-prefer muna ako ng breakfast ha, kayo ang isa oh. Nagulat na siya day. Muna yan sa man eh, Marites. So, kain tayo mga day. Oh, daming tao ngayon ah. Alam na, sobrahan manig milk iyaha, oy. Sabaw, coffee, and then bon appetit. Kain tayo, day. Kaya marag gigutom ko. Gigusla. Nagusla ko, day. So, finally mga day, tapos na akong nag-breakfast. Grabe kalami. Ang sarap sa feelings day pag makakain jud ka ng rice. Kaya nga naman yung rice is life man gyud ana yung gipanganak gyud. Pinanganak tayo sa mundo na mag-rice jud ta day di. Oy, agar. Wait day, balik ra ako day. I have to finish my coffee first, yeah. May mga natay ko day kay nag-CR si Dodong, so ako, I do that, my love.
Why?
I do that because I need to vlog. Just leave it there.
I just put the coffee machine in.
Ang aga ng mga tao dito, day. Last 9 pa, nagpicnic naman sila, day. Nagpicnic na sila dito, day. Ganyan sila dito ka energetic. Nagtanong ako kay Dodong na Uy, may vlogger ba na gustong-gusto ko yung boses niya doon sa ano, sa Facebook page. Nakalimutan ko kung ano yung name niya. Parang basta day, nang halata talaga day na Bisaya yun siya day, no? Kay yung boses niya ba maano talaga natin na Bisaya yun siya. But anyway, balik tayo sa topic day, be. Nawala, diba? Inyong inday ani day. Nagtanong ako ni Dodong na, my love, kung ilang years na ba itong ano dito nila, no? Yung ito ba yung forest nila kung saan tayo pwedeng mag-picnic, mag-parking, chorba, galore. Sabi ni Dodong, ano daw to? Mga 100 years na daw ni Deria. Pero siguro, I think, my love, you mean 100 years? 100 years ago? You mean it's already developed? Wow!
What, this place?
Yeah? Because
150 plus year, I think, yeah.
Because
No, not with all the stuff that's here now, but with the rocks and the road and the trees and stuff. The rocks, I'm not sure. But
kasi mga anti-kadayers dito sa town ng aking...
And the boat bridge down there, because that was made when the old boat came to the town.
Because mga ante, sabi pa ni Dodong, before daw, dito sa kanilang town kasi may famous na ano dito. Kung gusto nyong pumunta ng Denmark, pumunta kayo sa Silkeborg. Kasi may famous ano sila, yung bang old boat. So, isa sila sa #1 tourist attraction dito. So, nabilong sila.
Not #1.
I mean, hindi.
The tourist attraction.
I mean, hindi #1 ha, kasi #1 is Copenhagen. Pero isa sila sa nabilong sa tourist attraction. And yeah, yung mostly attraction talaga nila dito is yung lake at saka yung mami na ewan ko kung paano yan i-explain inday oy sa kanang pag sa Tagalog day kay murag lisod man siya i-explain in Tagalog. But my love, can you explain din in English about the mami? Yeah, so yan yung 2 things na like pinupuntahan nila dito about the mami. Mami, what's that? Is that the one yung namatay siya inday ba na parang natural lang gud iyang pagka-dead? Kasi na pumunta siya sa swamp, I think. He died in natural way because he went down to the swamp.
No, he was sacrificed to the gods.
Oh, naday, mali talaga day.
They found his whole body with a leather string around his neck. And he's 2,300 years old. Tolon man. The world's best preserved mummy.
Oh, isa yan siya sa ano mga anti-kadayers except sa mga mummy na sa America. Kaya kaayo eh.
He was thrown out into the swamp.
So it's really kuan kining they really did it by purpose.
Yeah.
Okay. Lain ko na nang.
That's the theory, at least. Since he had a leather strap around his neck, he was strangled and then thrown into the swamp.
Okay. But is that why he become famous? Because he's the only one who
No, only because he's the world's best preserved mummy. It's just like you dig him out yesterday, except his skin got dark.
Ah, okay.
You can see even his beard. You can the food was still intact in his stomach. Yeah, everything in detail. It looks like he was just
Sleep.
thrown yesterday, basically, and it's remained the same for 2,300 years because there's no oxygen in the swamp to make him rot.
Swamp? What's that swamp?
Huh?
What's that swamp? Well, you have that many here in Denmark?
Yeah, that's like Vejlsø out there. You know Vejlsø near the...
Katakot naman yan, day. Uy, pag mahulog tayo niyan, day, na ma-preserve tayo, day, nang walang sa oras, day. Is that the one that...
Well, there's permanently, there's plants and moss and grass, but permanently water. And some places a bit deeper, and there's a lot of deposits.
Is that same like
from
in
the
front
plants,
in Holten, yeah?
dead plants, and more humid than this. That's...
Because you know, when we saw in the movie, there's a small swamp, and then it's like they're pulling down, and then you cannot go up because somebody, it's like,
yeah, similar to
like
that.
that?
In bottomless sludge at the bottom with dead plants and clay and deposits, organic deposits, and it gets sour. The rhododendrons, they like to grow more or less in stuff
I've
like
never
this.
seen that in person. We should see that one. We should see that one, my love, and then I try to put you there.
Oh, yeah.
If you can come up again. Yeah. So ito siya na area, mga Antiquarians. Ito siya na park. Kasabay to siya sa pag-build, like kasabay siya sa paggawa nila sa kanilang sa tourist destination, kasi yung famous boat nila dito, yung engine lang ang gamit, hindi yung boat kagaya sa atin sa Pilipinas na kanang, I think nakita nyo yun sa mga video ko last time, na ang gamit nila is yung old na talaga ba,
steam engine boat.
Oh, steam engine boat. Pero dapat sana hindi sila magamit ng mga dapat ganun-ganun ba, magpading jud ba? Walay
And
masyado.
it's believed to be the world's oldest steam engine, or the world's engine of any kind, still at work, still working.
You don't have that in Copenhagen also?
No.
Okay. Pag sasabihin nyo kasing Denmark, mga Antiquarians, if you're gonna say Denmark, masasabi nyo talaga na the famous place is Copenhagen. Yes, agree ako, mga Antiquarians, kasi maganda talaga sa Copenhagen. I've been there like mga 2 times, I think. I've been in Copenhagen, but I've been there many times kasi syempre doon yung normally pag babiyahe kami, nandun yung airport, pero hanggang airport lang, no. Pero yung roaming around talaga, I think 2 times lang. Pero gusto kong babalik doon na yung, alam nyo yung sit up na yung sarili natin, yung may buot, nanatay buot, diba? Okay. Kasi malaki talaga ang Copenhagen, maganda siya, tapos maraming mga bagay na dapat mo siyang i-focus, i-sink in para ma-remember mo siya, kay may mga bagay na pagdadaan lang siya sa'yo, din makalimutan mo na siya agad. Ganun ako. So, yun. And then, kasi dito, may may stopover sa boat ba? Sa old boat. Din dun sa Sky Mountain nila, na kumbaga yan yung pinaka highest mountain nila dito, sa atin, ang pinaka highest mountain, kay ang Mount Apo man, dito sa kanila, ang pinaka highest mountain is lang siguro yan, murag how many meter is the highest mountain?
It's 123 meters.
120 meters, murag wala na half sa Mount Apo sa Pilipinas. But anyway, at least they have a highest mountain, di ba? Kaysa naman wala tayong highest mountain, ubusin ko muna tong kape ko, no? Kay si Dodong na katawa sa Uy, pero in fairness, ganyan lang yan. Pero famous kayo na yan yung dinadayo dito. ilagay ko to siya sa ref kasi maganda siya pag cold. Yung coffee ko ba, nabili ko to sa parang taga Vietnam ata yung mga Asian na yun. Tapos may nirecommend siya na 3-in-1 kasi wala na yung Nescafe ba. Sabi niya ito, i-try mo to kasi masarap to. Ito yung famous coffee daw sa kanila. Parang Kariba, ano yun? Pero mao lagi kailangan ko mag-toothbrush dahil kay mag-stain akong ngipon. So ayan mga day, no. Maglabay muna ako ng basura day kay para hindi tayo maglabay-labay doon kina mama. Kasi yung basura niya day kailangan i-recycling. Dito kasi pag mga park hindi na. Bono. Yan. Ay, kanay sa camping car, oh. Let's go na, no? Okay, mag-shower ako doon kina mama.
I threw a almond out to the crow and he was smart enough to find it. It's not like Felix.
Grabe ka naman, dungog naman.
He's eating it now.
Felix, oh. So, let's go mga day. Tapos na ako sa aking gamot. And then, my love, can you please turn around my chair?
You push it up there.
Huy, kaabog ba? Punta tayo kina mama. Silipin natin siya kung anong ginagawa niya sa ring. Oy. O gidala na lang giday nimo ang imong labhonon day. Dalaan na lang na imong labhonon day. Dalhin mo na lang yung labhonon mo day. Para hindi ka na magbalik-balik day. No. Bright po ninyo din yung anti-ka-dyers, oy. So, tara na, day, oy. Maligo pa ko, day. Shower pa ko, mga day. Sama ni mga day, oy. Naghan ba na ito bit-bit, ani, day? Mura man tanig babakwit, day. Dalhin ko na lang to kay para hindi ako magpabalik-balik. Isa lang ko to, tapos dalhin ko yung nandun. Oh, diba? Ilock mo yung car mo, day. Para makalimutan mong ilock, day. Lock na, day. Ayun si mama doon. Gusto ko sana Hi, boss. Ayun, si mama. Kita nyo ba yun? Siya, nag-garden na siya, day. Sana all na garden. Hi!
Hi.
What are you doing?
I am cutting the tree.
They did not cut.
I cut the tree.
Okay.
A lady who has been giving me my socks. he lives near Halton.
Hmm?
And Halton now?
Yeah, Brian finished to pick out some things, but not finish all. Kuyawang mama eh. Nag-work siya day. Sabi ko na nakagitog now? Sabi niya wala daw. Sabi niya nakamaligo ko ma. Ayan si Dudong nagpahuway. Ay, Toras Garden oh. Ang isa. Felix! La. Felix! Why? Ay! Kudado! Nice kang garden ni Mama, oh. Mua's garden is very nice. How are you? Are you good here? Is Mama? Come! Sinimhot niya ako, day. Ug baho bagiti. Inamoy niya ako, day. Come! Hi! Hi! Vad är den här då där? Ha? Vad är den här då där? Hala lang, wala na kay. Grabe si Mama maka. Kuan og wet food ni mo lang, oy. Lang. Siya na all kay ka ba? How are you? Ha? How are you, oy? How are you, man ba? Ay. How are you, man ba? Ha? How are you? Hello, Isa. Hello, Isa. Hello, Isa. Hi. Say hello to your viewer. It's been a long time, Pod. Hmm? Hmm? Say hello. We've been to Holton. We've been to Daddy's house. Huh? La, gisimot mo niya, guys. So what's that? Who is that? Hoy. Who is that? It's your viewers. Huh? Who is that? We've been to house kasi ibenta na ni Daddy ang bahay lang. Ha? Ay, nako. Hoy. Mag-shower muna ako sa mga ante. Tapos mag-playtime ako sa kanya. Mag-walking siguro kami ngayon kasi parang naboboard din siya, oh. Tignan nyo nga yan. And then, mag-fix ako sa aking self. What else? So, hello. Finally, mga ante, katatapos ko lang naligo, day. And then, naglagay lang ako ng mga cream, moisturizing, and everything. And then, ay, grabe. Nag-uol, naghilak, umiyak, si Inday ani. Hala, asa akong kilay, day. Asa ako kilay, day. Asan yung pangkilay ko, day? Nah, di ni pwede, day. Nga tay pangkilay kay kilay is life, ta. Nah, I think nasa car, day. But anyway, aalis tayo. Sasama tayo kay Dodong for today. Magbili ng flower. Hoy! Totski! Ikaw dito ka lang, ha? Maldito man gub ka ba? Paak doon niya si Mama kagani, ha?
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling,